Chapter 9: Human versus Artificial Intelligence. Learning Objectives. After studying this chapter, students will be able to define intelligence and its features, understand artificial intelligence (AI), compare human and artificial intelligence, explore AI fun game. Get ready! Hey AI Advent, do you know what intelligence means? Intelligence is the ability to learn. Good, but there is more to it. In this chapter, we will learn about intelligence. But first, let us do a fun activity. That sounds great. Let us get started. Introduction. In your earlier classes, you must have learned that a computer is a machine with several advantages. It possesses high speed, large storage capacity, versatility, diligence, and always provides accurate results. However, alongside these advantages, you must have also learned about its limitations, such as its inability to make decisions on its own and its reliance on humans' instructions. Here we will learn about a new technology, artificial intelligence, that can help machines become smarter and make decisions on their own. What is intelligence? Humans are born with natural intelligence. They learn new things from their experiences and use what they have learned to make decisions. For example, imagine you are playing in the park and touching a hot metal slide on a sunny day. It burns your hand and you quickly let go. Next time you go to the park on a sunny day, you will remember the slide might be hot. So you will touch it carefully or wait for it to cool down. This is because you learned from your past experience, which helps you make the decision to be more careful. This ability to learn from experiences and make decisions based on that learning is called intelligence. Infobite. Sir John McCarthy first used the term artificial intelligence in 1956. Importance and features of intelligence. Intelligence is one of the biggest quality that humans have. It is due to intelligence that humans have emerged to be the smartest creature of the world. All the innovations in our surroundings, such as transportation, medical advancement, space exploration, and many more, are the result of humans' intelligence alone. Intelligence can be defined in many ways, and it involves several important features. Some of these are: 1. Reasoning. It means to think carefully about any situation or information to understand it better. 2. Decision making. Intelligence helps you decide what to do in different situations. For example, deciding whether to have cold coffee or hot chocolate when it's cold. 3. Problem solving. Problem solving is also one of the main attributes of intelligence, where you think of different ways to solve a problem. The intelligence can be defined as the ability to learn, reason, to make decisions, and to solve problems. What is artificial intelligence? Till now, you have understood the concept of intelligence, its types, and how humans have achieved the different milestones with its help. But what if machines could also have decision-making capabilities similar to humans? Today, we have powerful technology that can provide machines with decision-making capabilities. This technology is called artificial intelligence. Human versus artificial intelligence. Human intelligence is natural. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is man-made. Humans learn from experiences. AI machines learn from data. Humans can feel emotions. AI machines do not have any feelings and emotions. Humans can adapt to new situations easily. AI machines need to be reprogrammed to adapt to new situations. Recap. Computers possess high speed, large storage capacity, and accuracy. Artificial intelligence enables machines to make decisions on their own. Humans learn from experience to make decisions. AI learns from data rather than experience. Humans can feel emotions, whereas AI lacks emotional capabilities. Intelligence is the ability to learn from experiences and make decisions based on that learning. Humans adapt to new situations, while AI machines need to be reprogrammed.